Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Chrome and Edge both use the Chromium engine, so core rendering is identical. Choose based on extensions, privacy settings, and Google integrations that matter to you. Chrome often integrates tightly with Google services and developer tools, which can simplify sign-in and profiling workflows. Edge adds some Microsoft features and occasional memory optimizations that may benefit Windows users. Decide first whether you need specific Chrome-only extensions or tighter Google integration before changing settings in VS Code. Open your project in VS Code and find vscode/launch, JSON to adjust debugging, add or edit the configuration property runtime executable, Chrome, or provide the exact Chrome path. Alternatively, open settings, JSON, and set live server. Settings, browser, Chrome for live server use. Install or enable the debugger for Chrome extension if your workflow requires it. Save files and restart VS Code to ensure Chrome launches during debug sessions or when you open preview tabs. For development, choose Chrome when you rely on specific Google integrations or extensions. Chrome provides broad extension availability and consistent DevTools behavior across platforms. Choose Edge if you prefer tighter Windows integration, potentially lower memory overhead, or built-in Microsoft privacy features. Consider testing both by switching your VS Code settings and measuring memory use, extension compatibility, and page profiling. Ultimately, choose the browser that delivers the debugging features and performance metrics you need for your projects.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.